This video will walk you through the different ways to look at your lessons in open court reading. Once you have set up your class in your planner, today's lesson will be the page you see every time you access open court reading. This is the current lesson based on your planner. To view a different lesson, select the navigation banner and select a unit, lesson, and day from the drop-down lists. Below the navigation banner is the outline for the lesson. The top of the tab lists the materials needed for this lesson and the lesson objectives. Use the link to access that resource. Select the ellipsis to expand the list of materials or objectives. The standards covered in the lesson are located to the right. Hover over each standard code to read the full standard. The lesson is broken into sections where you will find individual blades for each activity. Expand a blade to view the activity and all the information you need to complete it in class, including the standard it covers. Hover over an icon for additional tips for teaching the activity. Select the Show Guide toggles above the blades to view English language or intervention guides. If the activity has additional support for EL or intervention, it will appear. Select the ePresentation button in the upper right corner of the page to open the ePresentation for this lesson in a new window. Specific ePresentation resources can also be accessed from within the lesson. When you expand a blade, any related ePresentation resources appear to the right. Select today's lesson to return to this page from any place in the program. Select Planner to view your lessons by date. Your planner is populated automatically based on the school year. You can view your planner by week or by month. Use the navigation buttons to move through the planner. Each day indicates the appropriate lesson. Select the ellipsis to see lesson details, including standards, lesson objectives, and materials needed. Select the arrow to go to that lesson. Select Course Map on the main menu to view the outline for a particular lesson. Select a unit, lesson, and day on the left. The page displays an outline of all the sections in the lesson with the activities listed beneath. Select Go to Lesson to open the lesson. This concludes our guide to working with lessons. Be sure to refer to other help materials for more information about the Open Court Reading program.